I have to reintroduce your government officials or workers in government kasi para makilala ninyo. Spend time with me in coming here. At ang unang tatawagin ko po ay yung nag-introduce sa akin, isa itong Ilocano, taga Isabela, Secretary Silvestre Robelio. Ang sunod po yung ating Department of Affairs Secretary Enrique Manalo. At ang ating laking Cotabato to pero of Ilocano ancestry, Secretary Delfin Lorenzana, the Defense Secretary. Isang general po to noon, when I was the mayor of Davao City, ibata pa rin siya noon, he was assigned in my area. At siya yung nagdala ng Scout Rangers doon, panahon ng magulo na Pilipinas. Ito po'y laking Cotabato City. And sabi ni Pastor Kibuloy nga, classmate niya ito si Delfin Lorenzana, and he was the valedictorian of his class. Nung nasa PMA siya, valedictorian rin. Kaya mahusay na tao, very industrious. Noon na-assign siya, gwapo siya, matangkad. Pero ngayon, gwapo pero walang buhok. Si Secretary Ramon Lopez po, siya po yung nagdala ng Gogo Negosyo. He is now connected with government, yung sa small scale and medium industries. Siya po yung I'm spending billions dito sa gustong yung kayong umuwi at nagkaroon kayo ng idea, we will support the small, medium industries para turuan muna kayo tapos nagbubuhos po ako ng pera dyan. Pahiramin kayo ng gobyerno at well, in the fullness of God's time, inshallah, you have to pay the government. But he is very good. Another secretary po sa Department of Transportation, classmate ko po to sa law school sa San Beda. Ito yung valedictorian namin, Arthur Tugade, Ilocano. Galing Tugigaraw. Ito, bilyonaryo na to. Is well known. Nung college pa kami, nagtatrabaho na sa Delgado Brothers. And on his own, he's already a billionaire. Ang ating secretary sa energy, yung manager noon ng NAYA, si Alfonso Cusig. At ang ating Presidential Communications Office, ang hepe ho doon, si Secretary Martin Andanar. At isa pong another Ilocano. Marami po sila dito sa cabinet ko. Because sila yung mahusay. Si General Esperon noon is the Secretary, National Security Advisor ko po. Then, isang gwapong lalaki, pwede nyo itong pakantahin maya. Actually, I don't know if saan ang gusto niya, hindi ko alam. Chief Presidential Legal Counsel, o meron ping gusto mag-artista, pati singer rin siya. We have Secretary Abelia, ang presidential spokesman. Si Secretary Abul Khair Alonto from Mindanao Development Authority. Marami ho akong mga kapatid na Muslim. Sa aking kabinete, si Secretary Giling Mamunjong. Tesda ho. Another Ilocano at magiging cabinet member to one of these days. I have to talk to him. Ito yung pinapadala ng ating gobyerno noon particularly at the time ni President Gloria Arroyo, yung may mga mass evacuation, siya yung inuutosan, si General ito noon, General Roy Simato. Ilocano rin. At ito naman ay taga Maynila. At yung sila dito, husband and wife, Senator Alan Cayetano and his lovely wife, Mayor Lani Cayetano. Alam mo, sa lahat ng travel ko abroad, nandiyan palagi yan si Senator. He's with me, also as an advisor, sa lahat na bagay. And always kasama si Lani. They are inseparable. Kaya wala akong kaduda-duda na mabait talaga ito si Alan. Yung nag-iiwan ng asawa, yun ang mga talagang walang... Congressman Anacito Bertiz, sa ano ito, sectoral, party list, OFW Act. And sa Share Affairs ng ating Sharjay, Imelda Panolong sa Riyadh. Alam mo ba ang pangalan nito ni Aimee? We only know her as Aimee. Kanina ko lang talaga nalaman. Aimee Marcos. Ang pangalan ni Aimee Marcos is Governor Maria Imelda Josefa Marcos. Otherwise known as Aimee. Pero ang tawag ko na sa iyo ngayon, ma'am, the better actually kung Pilipino, Josefa. So, beginning today, I would address you as Josefa. Pag tinarong diha. Then we have the MMDA chairman on. He ran for, but he will be running again. Si Francis Tolentino. He's a lawyer. At mahal kong kababayan, outside of the ASEAN countries, kasi I had to travel to visit every member state because we are hosting the ASEAN Summit this year. So I had to go out and get the feel of everybody, the heads of state or whatever, dito sa programa na gusto nilang ipasok so that when the time comes, when there's the meeting, wala na hong smoothly na. At pinag-aralan na namin lahat kung anong, what comes up and what goes down dito sa aming ASEAN. Very important ito po sa ating bayan. But outside of ASEAN, I have received so many invitations. I will not name the countries because they might, tinanggihan ko lahat. But ako ho ang namili dito. And I was very gratified that the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia and the King invited me to visit you. Let me explain why. Kalimutan ko, Brad ko to. Pareho kami, may lola is Maranao. Kapwa ko Maranao to. Si Dabs Mamao. Dabs, wala ka sa listahan. Saksakin mo yung... He's my classmate sa San Beda, and on top of that, he is my fraternity brother. So marami dito ang Ilocano pati Maranao. Wala nga ako nakitang Bisaya. Kulang. Martin. Andana. Anak siya ni Wenceslao, yung andanar noon. Ito yung anak nga. Mas gwapo to. Kasi yung ibang punta ko na lugar, tinatanong kung